are going to love 2021 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 400 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, remote engine start, hood scoop, traction control, stability control, roll stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension classification, solid live axle, power brakes. Come take a test drive today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.